But they did not worry. But it's not all doom and gloom. It's not always sorrowful thing. It's not anything of sadness when you see the sunshine, sun rising from that Himalaya while walking up, trudging up, mountaining that place, climbing it up. It's awesome. Which cannot be explained by words unless you go and see it. That brought us them hope. So they kept on going. The girls recall. They were telling the story. The duo means two of them, has been dedicating their climbs to the fight against female feoticide. People before giving birth, they kill the child, female feoticide. Killing or aborting an unborn girl child is called female feoticide. Abortion, people do. They come to know it's a girl, they try to kill the baby inside only the mother's stomach. They take medicines, injections, they do an operation and get it done. It's bad. So they were fighting against it. That is the cause we are going. We are girls, we can do it. So don't kill us. For that they were saying, we can do things better than boys. To them, it's not about climbing the highest peak. It's about proving that women can do anything they set in their minds to. They hope that their achievements will convince people that daughters are capable of great things. Samina Beg, the first Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest, was with the twins when they surmounted the world's highest peak. Samina Beg was also there from Pakistan. All are girls. They can also do it. Girls can do it. Girls are to be proud. Why can't girls do it? Why kill? Before they are born also you are killing them. See what we can do. We are climbing the Mount Everest. How many can climb with us? Even a girl, Samina Beg, the Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest, was with the twins when they surmounted the world's highest peak. They wanted to show that we can also do it, that the achievements we are doing, that the daughters are also capable of great things. Can you go and climb Mount Everest? Anybody can go and, no. You are a girl, you can, if you are a girl, if you want to climb, you have to do that training, you can also do it. Girls can also do it, and they can. The girls tell us that the high rate of female feoticide in both countries inspired the trio to term their mission gender equality, fight against female feoticide, Tashi says. Both the countries, India, Pakistan, people kill girls. They don't want the girl child. So these three get together and they get this mission that we are going to climb and prove that don't kill us. Show them that girls can also do it. We can also bring you good luck. We can bring you prestige. We can bring you honor. I think that day all the girls who were in our expedition made it, while a few guys turned back. There were boys also going with them. They came away, they couldn't go 10,000 foot, they were some meters away and they came back. Some died, some fell off, but these girls were tough, they kept on. We felt so proud to be girls. Also given the sour history between the two countries. Unfurling. We felt so proud to be girls, also given the sour history between the two countries unfurling. Pakistan and India are not friends, but the two flags together being unfurling, flags are opening. They're planting the flags there. On the top of the world was a big moment. Mount Everest is the topmost part of the world. It was a big moment for all of us. We dreamt it and we did it. You remember how I did the march past 26 January? I had the girl leader. She can do it. If she, senior Ragini, class 10, she did it. She proved it. And I was proud for it. I knew that she can do it. Say, yeah, she's a girl, she can do it. Why not? So we should encourage girls. Even though Pakistan and India are not friends, girls are girls. We are human beings. Equality, gender, no discrimination. As army kids, they travelled across India. They would often trek up the hills with their dad and just sit there drawing the mountains, but never imagined that they would grow up to be mountaineers. As there are none in their family, athletes right from the start, they played hockey in their school days, unlike most Indian kids who decided that they want to be doctors or scientists. Even before they know what it entails, the twins had no goal. We wanted to explore where our passion lay, explains Tashi. Not like other children want to become doctors, engineers and all that. We are from the military background, army kids. My father was in the military. We used to go around with our father all over the place, transferring. They used to go up hills, walk up hills, sit and draw the mountains. They never thought they were going to become mountaineers. They played hockey athletes. They were a good player in hockey during the school days. They wanted to be doctors or scientists. Even before they knew what it entails. They never knew what is this all about, mountaineering. The twins had no goal in life. We wanted to explore. They wanted to explore where our passion lay. Wherever their mind they liked to do. Their father and mother supported them. Parents supported them, explains Tashi. Climbing mountains is no easy task, but it helps to have your sister along, especially when you are trying to climb the world's highest peak. Tashi took a break when they reached this area called the balcony, but there was no sign of Nungshi. Not that it was easy to differentiate between the climbers, who all looked the same with their goggles and masks. When Nungshi showed up 15 minutes later, she was practically walking with her eyes shut. I couldn't breathe. I felt like I was dying, she recollects. Nungshi didn't realize that her oxygen regulator had malfunctioned. It had stopped. Something had gone wrong. She was not getting oxygen. After a certain point of height, there is no oxygen in there, isn't it? The Sherpas were telling me that I would die and that I should go down back. It was quite frustrating. I've come so far, I'll not go. But Tashi was a driving force. She reminded me of our pact to step together on the peak, says Nungshi. Tashi claims that she felt she was doing something wrong by pushing Nungshi to proceed. But Nungshi thanks her for it today. Samina's brother Mirza Ali decided to head back down. So Nungshi proceeded using Mirza Ali's oxygen cylinder. In the meantime, their Sherpas had gone missing, but the trio decided to just follow the other climbers. We are going to do it. Somehow or the other, we have to do it. Okay, so I'll keep it till here. In the next class, we'll finish it and we'll do a nice story. So nice to read about girls doing so great, isn't it? You also read the chapter till here, page 108. Whatever word meanings are there, try to understand, try to feel the story. If you are a girl, if all the girls of class 5 you are listening, be strong, do something in life. That's the Josh. Okay? You can do it. Everyone can. No one is different. All are equal. So bye bye, take care and see you in the next class. I'll finish the chapter, explain it and we'll do the comprehension skill part. Okay? Bye bye. Take care. God bless. Happy Diwali in advance and respect your parents and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.